Hey guys, what's up? Your girl Nicole back at it again. I know I've been away for quite a while, but I'm kind of revamping my whole channel, so I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna be posting videos every Monday and Thursday. So today's Thursday, so you know what that means. It's Let's Talk Thursdays. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna be doing a little Colourpop haul today. I got some stuff from Colourpop, including eyeshadows, lipsticks, all that. For those of you guys who don't know anything about Colourpop, Colourpop is actually a makeup brand and they're actually from California. I believe they're from Santa Monica. They have one of the best liquid lipsticks that I personally always use, and the best thing about Colourpop is everything is pretty cheap. I mean, for a liquid lipstick like this, it's about only $5. But the only problem is they don't have any stores. Everything you have to order is online on their Colourpop website, which I will link everything down below. So to begin with, I'm gonna be doing a little haul of Colourpop cosmetics. Let's get to it. This is one of their boxes right here, which is actually really cute. I kind of really like how they kind of design their boxes. It basically reveals all of, well, not all, but it kind of reveals some of their collection eyeshadows. This is from the collection Love a Flare, and they have 6 different eyeshadows here, which I will be testing it out on my hand. So the first one is Highrise, and this is kind of, I want to say, like a blackish, greenish, gray. And the thing about these eyeshadows is that they're really soft, so when you kind of like touch it, it's almost kind of like silk when you put your finger in here. The next one is Headrush. This is more so, it's kind of the same as like the other one that I showed you guys. This one's more on the brown tone. I feel like most of these are kind of like mixed with a little bit of hint of green to it, but this is, it has, I mean, it's hard to tell on the camera, but this one is more so brown, greenish. Oh, this color is so beautiful. The next color is Melrose, and this is, it almost is that kind of reddish copper tone color to it. It's a really beautiful color. I feel like you could definitely kind of wear this with anything. I am really obsessed with this color. This is like a green with like a hint of metallic. This is called Moonwalk. That's how it looks, and it's just so pretty. It has, basically when you kind of shine it in different areas, there's like a hint of blue sparkle to it, a hint of like silver sparkle to it. So I mean, oh my god, this is like such a beautiful color. Okay, next one is called I Spy, and this is more so on the peachy side, so more so very neutral and peachy, and it's kind of like that matte finish in a sense. It's peachy, but it also, I feel like all of these have a little hint of a sparkle, even though some of them seem like they are matte in the actual jar. And the last one is called By My Side. This is kind of the same color, peachy color, but this one has a metallic side to it again. This is really nice. It has kind of like that glitter sparkle tone to it. I also have 2 other eyeshadows here. I guess these are just the ones that you can kind of buy separately. So both of these eyeshadows are on the metallic side. So this one, the first one, is called Revolution. It's that nice purple with a lot of metallic added to it. It's such a beautiful color. It has a lot of sparkle to it. This is the kind of eyeshadow that you could totally wear when you are going out for the night. I absolutely love that eyeshadow. You could never go wrong with too much sparkle on your eyes or just anywhere in general. The last one is called Fluffy, and this is more so, I guess it kind of goes with those peachy tones, but this is more so like a gold eyeshadow. such a beautiful eyeshadow. I mean, these eyeshadows, this is something you could wear for like New Year's, any kind of like events that you have going out or anything like that. Absolutely beautiful. So let's get into highlighters right now. I know everybody loves highlighters, at least I do. I have an obsession with highlighters. I actually have this highlighter trio. It's called Legit AF. So this is kind of, I guess, one of their collections, but here are all of these beautiful highlighters. Oh, I can't. I have an obsession. Like, it's bad. The first one is called Wisp. It's from their highlighter collection, but I could totally, this is kind of like a bronzy highlighter, but I feel like you can maybe use this to add it into your contour, perhaps. I mean, I haven't tried it. And this is a beautiful highlighter. It has that kind of gold, brown, peach finish to it. Very beautiful. So the next one is called Spoon, and this is so pretty. It's kind of like a beige with a hint of gold, maybe a little pink also. This is such a beautiful highlighter. And the last one from the highlighter trio is this one. It's called Over the Moon. It's basically that nice white with a nice shine of pink and purple. As you see how I'm showing it right here in the camera, from this side it just looks silver white, but as soon as you get that light on it, it's that purple pink color to it, which is really pretty. I think this is gonna be my favorite one out of all of them, to be honest, but I don't know, there's a lot of nice ones here. So I also have these ones that you could buy alone. These are also highlighters. These colors are also really pretty. I think I see another one that's probably one of my favorites. So this one is called Hippo, and this is a nice purple, a nice like soft purple color. Very beautiful. It kind of has that nice metallic white effect to it. It's funny because it doesn't even look purple on the skin like it does in the jar. Next one is Honeymoon, and I think this might be my favorite, to be honest. This is so pretty. Silverish blue finish to it, hence why it's called Honeymoon. This is kind of similar to this one right here, but except this one has a lot of blue to it, whereas this one here had more blue pink. And the last color is called Monster, and this is a very, it's like a nice soft pink. I mean, honestly, again, all of these don't show that much justice unless it's in person. I mean, they look so beautiful in person. I hope they look beautiful on camera as well. Like, it has a nice rosy pink to it, which is so beautiful. All of these are actually amazing. Okay, so moving on next, we're gonna go to lips. So I guess the first one that I could talk about is the one that I am wearing right now, and this is one that I just bought alone. It's the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. I mean, it's funny because in the tube it looks kind of like reddish brown, but on my lips it's pretty brown, but I like it. It's a beautiful color. This is called Wild Nothing, and this is the one that also came with a lippy pencil to outline. That is how it looks on my skin color. It's a beautiful color. I love it. It's really pretty. This is a mixed finish lip collection. I believe this one was bought here in Canada. We do have Colourpop now in Sephora, which is honestly amazing. You can't go wrong with the Colourpop website just because it has so much to choose from, whereas Sephora only has selective few to choose from. So these colors are more so summer colors, but they are so beautiful anyways. So this first one here is Curtsy. That's a beautiful color. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's like a nice pink. So the next one is this one. This is Fresh Cut. And this color is really pretty. It's kind of like a nice dirty rose color, which is so beautiful because like I feel like you don't really find this kind of color with other companies. Like this is so pretty, such a pretty color. I want to say this is maybe one of my favorites. And the last one, this is called Chandelier, another pretty color. This color is kind of a mixture of, it's like pinkish with a hint of peach to it. It's really pretty. It's kind of more so on the neutral side. If you kind of want to go to the nude side in a sense, this is, I would recommend this is something that you could definitely get away with as it being a nude, because it's almost a nude, but not really, because it has a lot of color to it. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about is, this is the Lippies stick collection. This is Over Brunch. So it comes in 6 different colors. So the first one here, this is called Mirror Mirror, and this is a matte one. They have 2 mattes, they have 2 matte X, and they have 2 creams. So this is Mirror Mirror. Such a pretty color. So beautiful. It's kind of like a reddish wine with a mixture of pink to it. So this is actually really nice. It's almost kind of like fuchsia color. So the next one is called Rooftop. A nice cream color. And that looks really pretty. So the cream has like a little bit of a gloss to it, but oh my god, it's such a pretty color. Again, it's kind of like that dusty rose petal. The next color that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is called Faded in, this is cream. So it's a really pretty, beautiful color. It's kind of like that reddish brownish color in a sense. Very pretty, such a beautiful color. Next one is called Cami, and this is in Matte X. Again, a really nice, almost brownish it looks like. Such a pretty color. This color, it's like brown with more red, but it's like that deep red almost. The next color is Payton. This is in Matte X, so probably in one of the extreme matte formulas. But this color is such a beautiful color. It has that like a nice pinkish peachy color to it, and it's almost like a coral pink in a sense. Aside from all the other colors that I showed, this color is really beautiful. This is maybe almost, I want to say, a summer color. And the last color that I'm going to show you is called Parker, and this is in matte. So this is more so a nice brown color. You could definitely tell that this is kind of brown in a sense, added with a little pink to it just to kind of give it a nice pinkish color, but it's more so on the brown side. But this is very nice. It could really work well as a neutral color, of course. So that is it for the Colourpop collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know there was a lot of colors that we all went through, eyeshadows, highlighters, and lip stuff. I'm gonna mention everything that was mentioned in the video down below in the description box. But aside from that, I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. I will be doing more videos like this every Thursday. I will be talking about either beauty or products or just any kind of reviews. I'll be making it and posting it here on Thursdays. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you think of Colourpop. If you ever tried Colourpop, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys later.